Good morning, everyone. I don't know where I put my coffee. Yikes. I have it in a mason jar this morning because I was feeling like I needed a whole jar. Floyd's eating at the table, so if it gets loud, I apologize. This day's video is going to be about organizing, staying organized, some tips and tricks for the kitchen, cute little decoration things, and this is going to be kind of vlog style, so I apologize if that bothers you or if it's going to be too much movement. Sorry I'm dressed down. I figured that was appropriate for what I was doing today, and I really just didn't want to get ready, for being honest. So I've already organized my whole entire house because I've been home for I don't even know how long anymore, and I got bored. So bear with me. I'm going to show you the underneath of my kitchen sink, and it's not the best, but it's something, right? It's something. So first we have, so I'm actually one of those weirdos, and let me know if I have any fellow weirdos in the comments below. I folded every single one of my reusable Aldi's bags. There's so many in here, because it looks neater, and I grabbed one of these bins from the dollar store. Super cute, honestly. And I just put those in there. Honestly, I have room for something else in here if I wanted to like put those bags down there. But these are all of those bags. I just put them in a baggie back here, pretend that they don't exist. And then I have like my cleaning supplies and stuff. Another thing you can do is I've seen people put like a tension rod from one side to the other and hang up their like spray bottles and stuff like that. I think I might have a tension rod in my bathroom that I can try that out if you would like. I might do that later. Funny story about this, actually. So I've never used this, but it is empty, right? You see how empty that is? That's because Floyd decided to pour it in his room, spray it all over his toys, all over his carpet, and this was a full bottle when he did that. So that was really fun. I'm traumatized by this dish soap. Moving on. Next we have my pot and Tupperware cupboard, sorry. And this thing is actually super helpful. My mom actually gave this to me. She gave me a huge set worth of like organizer stuff like this. So this I actually put down here, and it just hooks onto a shelf. It's like, it just slides right on, and it holds all my Tupperware, and that way I can still put stuff beneath it. And they do have, sorry if it's getting loud, I really apologize. There. They do have this type of design at dollar store. I think it's Dollar Tree, but it's a wire design, so it's not like fabric or whatever this is. It's more of a wire design, and they're probably $1. These are my only issue in here. Everything else is pretty easily accessible. These, I would actually like to try that command strip holders right on the door, so then they're off of whatever, because if these come out and if those ones come out, then I could possibly put this strainer down here, and then everything would be really accessible. So I actually got this as a gift, and it's super cute. I did buy these from a dollar store, and they hold like snacks, oatmeal. There's some crackers and some cupcakes that my grandparents bought us in there, and then some fruit snacks. Yes, I know I have a lot. And then this also is there to hold some more snacks if I have them. But these shelves are for Floyd. Pretty much everything that he can easily assess. He can just bring me some of the, he doesn't know how to open these yet, but he can just bring me this, and then that way he knows where they are. I also have, this was the set as well. These, I usually throw my keys in there. They have some random stuff, you know, a toy. So if you go up on top of my fridge, I have this huge box, and this holds all of my pastas and rice, and I think there's pancake mix in there. That holds all of that. I also have another one of these shelf things to hold my spices. I typically only use like the spices that are up front, so it's not a big deal for me, and this actually works pretty well for me. But if you're somebody who uses a lot of spices all the time, this might not be beneficial for you, because you'd have to take all of these out to get to the back. And that's kind of a pain in the butt, and I can understand that. So what some people do have are the shelf racks, or spice racks. So there's like a 3-tier spice rack for you. But I kind of like this because it lets me store things underneath it as well. So that seems to work for me. It's not going to work for everybody. And then down here, I got these jars. I'm pretty sure I got these from Walmart, honestly. And this holds sugar for my coffee in the morning. And then this holds my tea bag. So it's a really cute way to like decorate and store things instead of having like a big old thing of sugar or just like tea bags sitting around. It's just really cute. So this I think I got, I honestly don't know where I got this. I think this was my sister's and she left it here. But this I hold my oil in and I refill it like when it gets low. But it's actually really cute. It seals it right there, and then you can just like pour your oil out, and it's just really cute, and just a little decoration piece. So this is my favorite thing ever, and it's supposed to be made to hold like guacamole, but I put my butter in it, and yes, it needs to be cleaned up, but I usually clean it after the butter is all gone. But I got this at Walmart, and I'm obsessed with it. Here's another piece of that set, just like a little 3-piece organizer, and I hold his cups and syringes in there for his medicine, and that just goes at the end, and it kind of keeps this from moving around too. And yes, he has his own little things for his silverware because he's spoiled. One last thing I wanted to mention about the kitchen is garbage cans, and how you know, if you throw stuff in there, the bag might go into the can as well. And if you get those command strips and you flip them upside down, so now the hook is facing down, you can actually take the bag strings and hook them onto it, and it helps from like keeping it from going into the can as it gets heavier. So I'm not saying I'm recommending you go and get stuff to organize your house with, because that's not an essential thing. But if you're out and about doing essential shopping, like groceries and stuff, and you happen to come across some bins in the same exact store that you're in already, that would probably be fine to grab some bins. And last thing, I've been into cooking more and meal prepping and just meal planning and getting into different recipes that I've never tried before. If you guys want videos on like meal prepping or coming up with healthy meals, I have been really good at that lately. I've been trying to eat better. I've been trying to be more resourceful of my food. Seems how I can't always get to the store to get like little things all the time. I just have to deal with what I have. So please don't be afraid to ask me to do meal stuff. That's fine as well. I'm kind of just here to kind of hit on what you guys would like. Feel free to comment what you would like to see. Feel free to take our survey. I'll also add that down below as well. But I appreciate all of you guys, and I hope you guys have a great Thursday, and I'll see you again on Monday. Bye.